And we have our basic user manual. Each bottle is 0.35 ounces each. Vibrant, vivid, intense. Applications. We're making using this in Resin Art Crafts. Alright, and we have some bottle opening instructions and the different techniques you can use. That's pretty cool that they show you different techniques you can use. So what we have here, these are little pins here, I'm guessing to prick the bottle tops. So we have a couple different ways to open the bottle tops here. And we have in here 26 colors. I'm not going to unwrap all of them, but we have 26 colors or 26 pieces. And I'm thinking, I know we have some sinker white in here, but we definitely have some vibrant colors. Coffee, that's interesting. So we have a lot of different colors here. Let's pop all these out. See what we have here. I'm going to mention some of these more exotic names that I might come across. And there's the sinker white. Needs to be shaken up a little bit. I need to disclose that this product was sent to me at no charge. All the opinions you're hearing are my own. No one is paying for or pre-approved this review. So let's get back to it. How sinker white is used just as a little instruction here. Most of these colors, when you put them in resin, will float, so to speak. So you pour in your resin, then you drop the colors in, and they'll sit at roughly whatever layer you put them at. The sinker ink, which is included, and you get 2 containers of it, which I love, is when you drop the sinker white in, it'll push the other colors deeper into the resin. And we all know that when you make a resin, it's actually reversed, right? And so it'll push those colors toward the top of your design. And you can make some really, really cool effects with that. So I'm actually really excited about these. These are a lot of colors, and I'm seeing some dark indigo. I'm seeing some really kind of exotic style colors here. So this is definitely something worth checking out. This is a very large variety of inks. Let's see what we have here. What's that? All right. That's yellow there. So it's definitely a large variety of inks. The bottle size look good. There's no leaking because I guess the caps or the bottles are actually capped, so to speak, where they're molded and you have to pop them open. And I think that's actually a good idea because you can adjust with how you open these bottles, how much of a drip or how much of a pour you get when you squeeze the bottle. And these bottles are squeezable. They're not hard containers. They're all squeezable. So as it looks here, because it's a 26 piece set, so it looks here that we're going to have 24 colors and then 2 sinkable whites. So definitely check these out and have a good time with them. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.